Hey guys, today we'll try to understand the concept of looping items within dictionaries. Now, when I'm talking about looping through dictionaries in Python, it refers to iterating over the key value pairs within the dictionary and performing operations on each pair. Now, this allows you to access both keys and their corresponding values. Okay. Now, there are several methods in which you can do it. So one is using for loop. Another is using dict.items method or dict.keys method or dict.values method. Yeah. We'll go through each of this method individually in this video. Yeah. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. So the first method that we are going to look into is using for loop. Yeah. So basically, when I'm talking about looping through dictionary items, is we are iterating through each item within the dictionary so that we can perform operations on that. So how we can do it through for loop? Now we know a for loop is a control flow statement that iterates over a sequence of elements. Now it repeatedly executes the block of code for each item in the sequence. Yeah. So we can loop through dictionaries using the loop for loop in Python by iterating over the keys or the key value pairs within the dictionary. So how do we do that? Let's see an example. Example of for loop in dictionary. Yeah. So I have this dictionary, which is 1, 2, and 3 for every key in dictionary. So all the keys within this dictionary, it will go through. Yeah. It will show us the key. Yeah. And this will show us the value associated with that dictionary. Yeah. So let me just put something in between which will help you to understand. Okay. Yeah. So we have the key which will be pulled using the key from each dictionary and my dict.key. This will give us the value. So let's see what is the output. Example of for loop in dictionary using the key. Okay. So you can see using the key, I'm able to iterate over each value within the dictionary. Same way, we can use the key value pairs. Yeah. So I'll use the same example using the key value pair. Yeah. So what we need to do is beside key, we need to add the value as well. Yeah. And since my dict will show you the entire dictionary, what we need to get it is the individual item. So I'll change it to items and we'll have the parenthesis and then we'll show the value. This time we do not need to put this method where mydict.key will show you the value. I can straight away put the value. Yeah, this will show me the value of this particular dictionary. Yeah, if I try to run this, I get the same output. Yeah. So using for loops, either you can get the same output by using key or the key value pair both. Yeah. Let's check on the next way of looping through dictionary is using the dict.items method. Yeah. So dict.items, let me just format this once. Yeah. So what does dict.items method in Python is used to return a view object that displays a list of key value pairs. Yeah, you know that, right? We have seen this in the previous method. So if I run the dict.items, it will get all the key value pairs in the dictionary and store it in tuple. Now, this view object provides a dynamic view of the dictionary items, allowing you to access both the keys and the corresponding values. We can loop through dictionaries dot dict item again by using the for loop. We have seen this. Yeah. So let's see an example quickly. So dictionary items. Yeah. So it's the same thing which we have seen earlier here, where we go through the key value pair. Yeah. So dict.items, we have used dict.items here. So I'll just quickly run this. Yeah. Same output. Let's try using the dict.keys method. Yeah. To loop through items. How will we do that? Again, the same way. If we use the keys method, it is used to return view object that displays all the keys, and then we can loop through those keys. Again, the same example. We can take this. Keys method to iterate through dictionary. Yeah, I'll remove the key part. I remove the value part here, and we get the my dict dot keys. Yeah. And we'll run the key and the value using the my dict dot key. Let's see whether I am able to get the same output that is available. Yeah. Let's run this. Yeah. So using the keys, I am able to store all the available keys within my dictionary onto an object, which then iterated over gives me the same output using the keys. Same way, I can do it for values. So if I just keep the key so that you understand what is the output. Yeah. Same way I can do for the values part. So if I have to iterate over all the values within the dictionary, yeah. So what this particular method will get all the values within the dictionary, and I can iterate over the values. Yeah. Example of values method to iterate through dictionary. Now this time I'm getting the value, and the method that I'm using is values. Yeah. And I'm showing you the output. So you can see all the values 1, 2, and 3 will be listed. So I'm iterating through each value within the dictionary, and I can run expression. And I can say only, okay, display me only the values which are greater than 2 or greater than 1. I can always run this expression while I'm running the for loop. Yeah. So these are the various methods by which you can loop through items in a dictionary, either by using for loop, either by using the dict.items method, or dict.keys method, or dict.values method. Pretty simple. You can use the list comprehension as well. So I'll show you that as well. So using list comprehension or the dictionary comprehension, which we have seen earlier, which will also using the dictionary comprehension. Yes. So you can loop through the items in dictionary using comprehension and do the necessary operations to get the output. Let's see an example of dictionary comprehension. So you can see this. I have this variable 1, 2, and 3, my new dictionary in which I am collecting the new values. What I'm trying to do is I am having my key and value which is available here, and I'm taking the key and value from this dictionary, all the items. What I may do is, and I'm putting an if condition. So all the items where the value is greater than 1, then only it will store in the dictionary. That is how I'm iterating using the dictionary comprehension. I'm iterating over each item within the dictionary. So this is again a looping of items. Yeah. So these are various methods in which you can loop through items in a dictionary. Hope you like this video. You hope you like the explanation and the hope you understood the concept. That's more important. And hope you like this video. Do like and share this video with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any views on the examples or the explanation that I have given. Will like to share this knowledge. Uh, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get such kind of informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.